Welcome to this video about how to start a laundry and dry cleaning business via AfroConnect. Laundry is a very common term used amongst people in all parts of the world to describe clothes or linen that have to be washed. Many a time, people directly interchange the words laundry and dry cleaning when trying to analyze the business. This has led to a very false conception that dry cleaning is limited to just clothes/linen washing. Well, in this video you'll know the difference and how to start your own laundry and dry cleaning business. How do I start a laundry and dry cleaning business? The dry cleaning business has become highly competitive, so if you are going to run a dry cleaning business, for starters, describe what your business is all about. This is very important, as this is what will distinguish you from every other dry cleaning service. When people ask what you're into, your description should go like: here at your business name, we are into washing of all kinds of apparels, garments, clothing, rugs, curtains, etc. Also, we use modern superior techniques. We do proper and thorough washing, crisp starching, clean drying, ironing, garment packaging, and deliver promptly. There are a lot of add-on services that we offer to spice up our dry cleaning service. For instance, rather than just wait for your customers to come to you, you could take up the initiative and decide to do a mobile laundry service. You can reach customers who are either too far to come and meet you or too busy and will be in need of home service. Other less popular yet more effective services to improve your dry cleaning and laundry service includes launching an online platform. The online platform should contain where customers can make payments, order for a pickup, and track records. Having done all that, you'll need a tagline to stand out from competitors. Your tagline should be accessible, mobile, prompt, affordable, trusted, comfortable, and an excellent service provider. Is a dry cleaning business profitable? Laundry and dry cleaning business has proven to be a profitable and lucrative investment. However, this takes a lot of discipline, hard work, and commitment. Let's assume if the cost of dry cleaning an average item, aside suits and other special clothing, is set at number $350. And you have client bringing in an average of 12 clothes at a time, if you have a daily patronage of 15 clients with price for each piece of clothing, number $350. Number of items per customer, 12. Daily patronage, 15. Daily income equals price per clothing x number of items x daily patronage. Therefore, daily income is equal to 350 times 12 times 15 equals 63,000. With this you can estimate how much you will make per month. If you work every day except Sundays, you should be making an average of #1,638,000. Although this will reduce when you take out taxes and maintenance fees. Major benefits of the dry cleaning business: affordable to start up, preserves the quality of the clothes, it improves the hygiene of the customer. How much does it cost to start a dry cleaning business? Location/rent is the first cost you'll need to settle, though this depends on a lot of variables like state and province you'll like your business situated. This is where the whole business operations would take place. I've seen a lot of starters handle laundry operations from their houses to cut down cost. We'll advise you secure a place with enough space if you can. It'll serve for both office operations and most likely if there's a backyard where the laundry can take place. Second cost you'll need to settle is the purchase of your laundry equipment and furnishing. Thirdly, you'll need to obtain necessary permits and licenses to start operating. This is avoid unnecessary harassment by government and to ensure you're operating as a legal business. This is little breakdown, but note that it might be slightly different in your area as some prices tend to differ by location. Business registration with the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria, #40,000, this is an approximate figure. Rental of business space, #350,000, it could be less or more, depending on your location. Buying equipment and supplies, #150,000, this could also differ, depending on your location. With the above list, you should be spending an estimate of about #540,000 on startup. Ongoing cost of running the business: insurance, marketing cost, supply, utilities, rent and staff's remuneration are all recurring expenses. Other miscellaneous expenses might arise during your day-to-day operations, so I'll advise you keep funds for that. To do well in this business, you will have to enjoy cleaning clothes and making them nice for others. Some might be very smelly and even disgusting before it is cleaned. Wearing gloves and protective equipment will be an important thing to do to protect your health. We hope you enjoyed and learned from this video via AfroConnect. Don't forget to share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.